This is my video for the Rio Black Rifle match, March 3rd, 2018, held at the Rio Salado Sportsman's Club. I'm competing in Trooper Division, which means I have to carry all my ammunition for the entire day on my person during every stage. The rifle I'm using is my KE-15 shooting team rifle in Gila Monster Cerakote by We Plead II. My optic is a Vortex Viper PST 1-6. From this first position, there are two targets at just over 300 yards, with strobes that flash when they are hit. After clearing the paper here, the shooter must unload and show clear before moving to the next bay for the rest of the stage. Unfortunately, my bipod leg goes right into the slot on the platform here when I deploy it, costing me some time. Once I'm set up though, the remaining hits are easy. I was 19th out of 93 shooters on this stage. On this stage, there are 3 steel that must be hit from each position. They are at about 200 to 350 yards. Long-range stages aren't very interesting to watch, but what you can observe here is that most of my time on this stage is spent reacquiring the scope, getting in the eye box behind it, then stabilizing before sending the few shots that I do fire during this stage. I was 15th out of 93 shooters on this stage. There were a couple different ways to shoot this stage. I chose to shoot all the paper first before going to the long-range targets that must be engaged well in contact with the black barrels. The main reason I chose to shoot the stage this way was so I wouldn't have to dial my scope up and down from each position. People that had offset irons or offset red dots often chose to engage all the targets from each respective position without needing to go back and forth on the stage. Apparently my strategy was effective because I was 3rd out of 93 shooters on this stage. This stage began with a paper target that was scored for bonuses and misses. From this second position, there are 2 long-range steel. I got 5 of the 6 bonus hits, reducing my time by 2.5 seconds. I was 7th out of 93 shooters overall on this stage. In the final results, I was 3rd out of 93 shooters overall and 1st out of 6 in Trooper Division. I was also 1st in Armored category. This match was a good prelude to the types of shooting challenges I would be facing at the 2018 Superstition Mountain Mystery 3-gun match later in March. I really enjoyed using my KE-15 shooting team rifle with Vortex 1-6 in this match format. This is the type of shooting that this rifle is really optimized for. Thank you for watching, and come back again for more match and multi-gun competition content.